is a big data classification. What is meant by a big data classification? Based on the type of data generated, we classified this as this we are classified. This what is meant by big data classification means it is we are classifying based on the characteristics. This one based on the data generating, and this one is based on the characteristics. Characteristics means what? 3 V's or 4 V's. Based on this, we are classifying the big data. These are the big data. First one is a big data sources. What is meant by big data sources? Big data sources. Big data sources. Sources means what? From where we are getting. Maybe it is a big data storage, right? Data storage. Maybe in the form of a Google Drive. We store it. It is also one storage, right? Otherwise, in laptops, C drive, P drive, that is also one storage, right, for us. So, based on the data sources, data storage, such we called as a big data sources, such as data storage and in memory data or data warehouse, server machine. In that we consider as a data warehouse. Data warehouse means what? Where we can store the data and retrieve the data. These we consider as a big data sources. Then big data formats. Formats means what? Big data formats. In which form the data will be in which form it is data will be. It is in a structured and unstructured format. Big data formats. Which one are the big data formats? Structured and unstructured format. Then data stores structure. What are the data store structure? Data store structure. Which can be considered as data store structures. Where we are not storing sources, where we can retrieve the data in the databases, NoSQL databases, RDBMS, then again sensor data. I already told, right? Same machine generated sensor data, then again weather forecasting. It is also one considered as a big data example, right? Weather forecasting. At a time, it will showing all the cities weather forecasting, right? So weather data, then again health records, social medias. These are all considered as data store structures. Then same again process. Then big data formats. Formats means that is the same. Structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Then processing data rates. What is meant by processing data rates? Processing data rates. Rate means what? Rates mean rate. Rate. Rate means what? Processing data rates. Rate means time, right? Rate means time, right? Means we are processing the data in real time or in a batch wise. Batch wise means what? Already data is there. We are processing that data. Otherwise, we are processing the data in a real time. Real time means sensors data. For that example is sensors data. Otherwise, streaming data. And then again near time data. These are considered as a processing processing data rates means at what time we are processing the big data. Maybe in a batch wise means we are at a time we are divided the data. Okay, but in that that different batches will process at a time, but that different batches will not communicate with another. That we call as a batch time. Okay, real time, batch time, and streaming. Then processing big data rates. Processing big data rates means processing big data rates. Same, high volume, velocity, and again real time, batch time, and streaming data processing, that we consider as a processing big data rates. Then analysis type. What is meant by analysis type? Analysis types. How we are going to analyze the big data. That is means whether we are processing the big data in a batch, or processing the data in a schedule, or in real time, or in a streaming time. That we consider as an analysis types. Analysis types means how we are going to analyze the big data. Then big data processing methods. What are the processing methods? The example is batch processing. Have told right, batch processing means we are dividing the data into batches. Okay, at a time B1 and B2. These are the batches. It will process at the same time, but there is no interaction between these batches. That we called as a batch processing. In that batch processing, there are examples using MapReduce, Hive, or big databases, and real-time processing. For example, using Spark streaming and Spark SQL. Spark means it is one of the framework, right? For the big data, it is also one of the framework. Here for our data processing methods, we use batch processing and real time. For batch processing, we use the MapReduce, Hive, or big databases, and for real time we use the Spark streaming and Spark SQL database. Then data analysis methods. What are the data analysis methods? Here it comes our data analysis methods. Here comes a machine learning algorithms. Other are statistical analysis, predictive analysis, regression analysis, text analysis, then again social network analysis, location based analysis, diagnostic analysis, and machine learning algorithms. I have already told machine learning. What is meant by machine learning? Machine learning means considering the previous data, we are predicting the future. That we call as a machine learning. For the data analysis methods, we will use the machine learning algorithms. And for which analysis we can consider? Social analysis. Social analysis means what? There becomes the Facebook, Twitter. That becomes the social analysis methods. And weather analysis. We have to analyze the weather, right? Now it shows the cloudy, and so 10:25, and it's cloudy, right? Like that we are analysis, and then diagnostic analysis. About the diagnostic analysis means we will take the liver disease. Okay, for that liver disease there are several parameters. Means blood. It will show the blood parameters. How many red blood cells, white blood cells. That it will show the parameters. Based on that parameters, we are analyzing and predicting how many patients get liver disease. Based on that, based on the patient's information, we can predict how many patients can get liver disease, or it can be cured. That we call as a diagnostic analysis. In this data analysis methods, we use machine learning algorithms also. Then data usages. Which are the data we are using? Based on the data, right? These are the data we are using, right? Human data, human generated, business processing, and enterprise applications, then knowledge discovery. So these